What's up, everybody? Today on Hands of Man, I'll be showing you uh, all right, so today I'll be showing you how to make this 30-minute 5-cent jet stove. It's pretty cool, ultra light. Let's begin. Here's all the stuff you'll need for your stove. So, sandpaper, 2 cans of soda, some dividers, small drill bit, marker, large drill bit, 10 cents in Canada, you can use a penny, fiberglass, some scissors, 99% rubbing alcohol, a drill, and these are my spacer blocks just for marking out the locations. I'll explain it a bit later. Alright, so the first step is to grab your dividers and set them 9 millimeters apart. I'm going to make a first mark right here on the edge, about there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the first leg of my divider right on top of the center of that hole, and I'm going to scratch a mark and mark it with my Sharpie. Go all the way around the can. Once you're back at the start, we'll be able to start drilling. Now we simply drill out the sides of the can all the way around. So as you can see, I've got my marker laid down on my block, and I'm just spinning the can around, and that'll give me a line to cut to with my scissors. That's it. Just going to cut this with the scissors. Put my scissors back there. Next step is to take our fiberglass and just put it into the can like this. And then we'll grab our second can, and this is the trickiest part, is we're going to want to stuff this can into the other can. And just want to take your time and push that in evenly. Now I can tell it's leaning, so I'm going to push down on this side. There we go. Next, we're just going to cut to our black line here with our scissors. And just sand that till it's nice and smooth. Next, I'm just going to drill out the center of the can here. Like that. I'm also going to use my small drill bit to drill out small 4 holes that I'll show you after. 4 small holes. I don't know if you can see that, but I drilled out the small 4 holes. So we're going to go ahead and fill the stove with some alcohol. I've got my fire extinguisher nearby, and we'll see how it goes. Right, so now we got a nice strong burn going. I think the reason the flames are yellow is because it's burning that paint off, all the contaminants. Once those are gone, the flame will be more blue. Alright, so I'll set my pot on top, and we'll see how long it takes. And the water is cold. I can put my finger in it. So it is starting to boil, and it's about 5 minutes in. Here are my final thoughts on the finished project. First, it's a fun build. Secondly, this unit is super lightweight. Also, it's very small, so you can carry it in your pocket. The drawbacks are it's easily dented, so it's a bit fragile, and it takes up a lot of fuel. But all in all, I had fun building this project, and I hope you do too. So keep watching for future projects. Thanks.